Welcome all to RLT English channel. Everyone who concerns in learning English, I wish you to subscribe the channel and follow my videos right from the beginning because I take you step by step further and further until we reach the perfection. Right from the beginning, I will start with explaining the first letter of the English alphabet, and I'm going to deal with the following letters in order to have a full understanding of what we learn. First, let's start with the first letter of the English alphabet. It's the letter A in its capital form and in its small form. This letter has two forms. The capital form has a special uses. We use a capital form of the letter A or other letters in special cases. We will talk about that later. And the small form, we use this form in writing the usual writing. In this lesson, I'm going to deal with the sounds of a letter, and we will see how it can subtract the words and what the changes that makes inside the word to give it a special pronunciation and give it a special meaning. This letter has 5 sounds. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the sounds of a letter. The first sound is A, O, A. We have in the language, I mean the English language, vowel letters and consonant letters. The vowel letters are 5, and the 21 of the letters is a consonant ones. So those are the vowel letters A, O, U, E, I. Whenever we have an English word, we have one of these letters inside it, and these letters gives the word a special pronunciation and special meaning. Let's see how. We have the first word, take, immigrate. A, take, immigrate. A, cat, fat. O, tall, talk. A, about, alone. A, dog, farm. Why these changes happened? Why we pronounce A in every two words different from the others? A here, not the same sound as A here. A here, not as the same sound as A here. And not as the same sound as A here. And not the same sound as A here. And not the same sound as A here. So we have 5 sounds. Why this happened? Because we have vowel letters, and these vowel letters make changes in the pronunciation and meaning. Take for example this word take. The first letter is consonant. It isn't one of the 5. It isn't one of these 5 letters. T, consonant. A, vowel, which is the first one. K, consonant. E, vowel, which is the fourth one. So whenever we have this structure, consonant A, consonant E, consonant A, consonant E, always we pronounce A as A. Always we pronounce it as A. Let's see the second consonant. We have the first consonant C, A, T. Without E, not ending in the vowel E, we pronounce it cat. F, which is the consonant, A, vowel, T consonant without E vowel, we pronounce it cat, fat, as a cat, fat. But if we have this vowel, if we have E at the last, it becomes fate, not fat, fate. When it is fat, it means someone who is fat. But when it is fate, it means your destination. So the meaning changes and the sound changes because we insert the vowel sound E. Other situations, the first letter here, T, A, double L, T, A, L, key, talk, to pronounce O, not A and A, O. And here we have about, alone, alone, about. The last sound is dark, far. Whenever we have a vowel sound A followed by R in the middle of the word, farm, dark, we pronounce it as R. We have this word, as we said first, consonant, vowel, consonant, ending in vowel E. So we pronounce it late. Without this vowel, we pronounce it lat. Hat. If we insert the E, it becomes hate. Hat. Hat, something we put on our heads. Hate. I dismiss someone. And we have this structure. Consonant, A, I, two vowels. A, I, consonant, two vowels, A, I, consonant, we pronounce it A, like the first pronunciation. So whenever we have this structure, and this structure, we pronounce it as A, nail, tail. Those are the vowel sounds, and the last letters are the. I would like to thank you for your concern and for your interest. We will see each other in the next video.